Monopoly Go versus Coin Master. Which game is better? In this video, we'll take a look at Monopoly Go and Coin Master, two popular mobile games with unique gameplay styles. Monopoly Go offers a strategic twist on the classic board game, allowing players to collect properties, earn in-game currency, and build their Monopoly empire. This game emphasizes tactical moves and city building elements with an iconic Monopoly theme that appeals to fans of the traditional board game. Coin Master, on the other hand, is known for its interactive slot machine mechanic, allowing players to spin to earn coins and attack other players' villages. The game focuses on social engagement with features like raids and battles that make it highly interactive. Coin Master's pace is fast with a stronger emphasis on quick casual gaming rather than strategy. Whether Monopoly Go or Coin Master is better depends on your preference for gameplay style. If you enjoy strategy and familiar board game elements, Monopoly Go may be a great fit. For a quick interactive experience with social gameplay, Coin Master's fast-paced mechanics makes it an engaging choice.